Removal. Step 1. Wheel removal. Start by removing the wheel's lug nuts. Once the lug nuts are removed, carefully take off the wheel. Removal. Step 2. Disconnecting the shock assembly. Start by disconnecting the airline. Then remove the lower shock retention nut and bolt. Followed by the upper control arm pinch bolt, which holds the two ball joints to the knuckle. Removal. Step 3. Removing the shock assembly. Begin by removing the plastic bezel. Then remove the 3 bolts holding the upper mount to the body. Finally, remove the whole strut. Install. Step 1. Removing the air spring upper mount. Loosen and remove the 6 bolts holding the air spring to the upper mount. Separate the air spring from the upper mount. Install the cast aluminum upper shock mount to the top of the new coil spring and replace the 6 bolts. Install. Step 2. Installing new suspension. Begin by lifting the strut into position and aligning the pin to the front right of the center mounting hole. The bottom of the strut needs to be aligned to the center of the lower control arm. Install the bolt to the lower control arm. If the strut is slightly misaligned, this can be adjusted during installation. It may be necessary to use a jack to install the upper 3 bolts to hold the strut in position while tightening. Replace the plastic bezel. Install. Step 3. Reconnecting and tightening remaining hardware. Reinstall the upper left ball joints into the knuckle assembly. It may be necessary to use a jack to reinstall the second set of ball joints into the knuckle assembly. Affix the ball joints with the factory hardware and tighten. Center the fork onto the lower control arm bushing and install the factory mounting bolt and tighten. The air hoses can be left in place and tucked up next to the upper mount. Install. Step 4. Installing the wheel. Reinstall the wheel and tighten all lug nuts to manufacturer's specifications. Removal. Step 1. Wheel removal. Start by removing the wheel's lug nuts. Once the lug nuts are removed, carefully take off the wheel. Removal. Step 2. Disconnecting the airline. Remove the debris shield located on the lower control arm. Remove the remaining air pressure from the air spring. To deflate the air spring, carefully remove the air fitting from the bottom of the air spring. Removal. Step 3. Loosening the shock assembly. Loosen and remove the upper mounting plate bolts. Remove the lower shock bolt connecting the shock to the lower control arm. Disconnect the ride height sensor from the control arm. Loosen the lower control arm rear bolts. Removal. Step 4. Removing the shock assembly. Remove the lower control arm bolt. Remove the wheel speed sensor. With the upper mount dislodged, pull the air shock assembly down and out of the lower control arm. Install. Step 1. Installing the strut assembly. Carefully replace the strut assembly up and into the lower control arm. Reconnect the upper mount to its mounting perch. Place and tighten the upper mounting plate bolts. Install. Step 2. Reconnecting the lower control arm. Replace the lower control arm bolt and tighten to manufacturer's specifications. Install. Step 3. Reconnecting sensors and tightening hardware. It may be necessary to use a jack when reinstalling the lower shock bolt. Reinstall the lower shock bolt connecting the shock to the lower control arm. Tighten the rear control arm bolts. Reconnect the ride height sensor. Reconnect the wheel speed sensor. Install. Step 4. Finishing the installation. Reinstall the debris shield. The air hose can be doubled back onto itself and clipped into the open clips already installed. Install. Step 5. Installing the wheel. Reinstall the wheel and tighten all lug nuts to manufacturer's specifications. Installation completed. Congratulations!